So today has been one of the worst days for Monbebes ever. And before I start getting into it, I'm just gonna first introduce what I'm gonna be doing today. So today we're going to be doing Wonho's makeup look from the Follow music video. So now let's have a chat. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. A little brow gel because I did not put any eyebrows on today. I actually woke up this morning and I just could not get out of bed for some reason. I mean, well, not for some reason. I was actually up really late doing homework and just on Twitter and everything. And so I could not get out of bed. I was exhausted. And when I did finally force myself to get up and put on a little bit of foundation, like I just felt sick. And I just felt like things weren't good. And I just had this like pit in my stomach and I like really felt like something was wrong. I actually had a nightmare last night. Not about like Wonho specifically, but about some of the other people surrounding the event who I'm really not going to talk about because I don't want to say anything that would contradict my feminism, and I also don't want to make the situation worse. But I was having like nightmares last night. I woke up and I just felt really weird, and I went to class, and lo and behold, I finally take a break. And on Twitter, Wonho, our baby, has announced his departure from Monsta X. I did everything that I could, like, while I was in the classroom setting. I, like, tweeted all the hashtags. I signed the petition, which has reached its goal by now. It hadn't earlier in the morning. This is at, like, 11 a.m. But yeah, the petition did end up getting 200,000 signatures. I signed it. I texted it to my friends. I was like, can you please sign this? They did. They came through. Monbebes were, like, going ham on Twitter, so I was really trying to, like, do what I could. But I was in class, so. And overall, like, even the class vibe was just really weird today. Literally only 2 other girls showed up. So it was just 3 of us, and it was like quiet, and just today, like this morning was so weird, like I can't even like explain to you how weird it was. But I knew something had happened. Something had happened. My Monbebe senses were tingling, and I threw a fit in the car once I got out of class. We're gonna move on to our eyeshadow. I have the Soft Glam palette. This is actually what I used for like all of my other Monsta X looks, including my other Wonho look, my only other Wonho look. But anyway, yeah, I got out of class and I decided that I needed to drive to Joann, buy the little piece of fabric that I needed to do this makeup look and film this makeup look like right now, because I had already kind of planned on doing it, but I wanted to make it good. I thought about literally getting like orange like hairspray because of his like orange hair in the music video. This is just our makeshift background, which we used for the Blackpink Kill This Love makeup, but I thought it kind of matched that scene when did the thing, the I thing. So this is what you get today. I just really needed to do this so that I could like talk about it and just get this out as soon as possible and let you all know that I still stand behind my man Wonho 100% till we die. Monbebes are suffering. They're on the struggle bus. I'm very, very upset. I know that a lot of people are still trying to like fight to like get him to reverse everything, to get him to like rejoin. And I'm like all for that. I'm all with that. I'm all doing that on Twitter as well. But I don't know why I'm holding my eyeliner. Let's actually put some makeup on. So he has this like orangey shade on top of everything. This palette's disgusting, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna use that all over my lid, maybe mix it with a little bit of that like whitest shade. Ooh, yeah, my beauty lights are not helping this palette. I promise it really doesn't look that gross in person. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over my lid as like my base shade. But yeah, I think that his decision to leave like pretty much immediately, like as soon as shit started going down, is like very like Wonho of him, very selfless of him. But a lot of us like Monbebes who have been protecting him since day one have a problem with that. Like we want him to be selfish. We want him to like fight to just like stay in the group because we know Monsta X is not gonna be the same without him. And like I really want to like support his decision, and if that like, you know, ends up being the case, he leaves Monsta X, all's done, I like totally will. But like right now, since like Monbebes are giving me the opportunity to like try to fight it, I'm definitely going to. Just because I also just see him as a person who maybe had a rough childhood. Like, I don't know. I do not know his situation at all. But what I do know is that he is definitely like a good person at heart now. Like he just exudes warmth. Like you can't look at that man and see any like ill intent in him. And so like no matter what happened when he was younger, I feel like people now who are trying to dig that up and who are petty and who just like get off on like seeing people fail should not win. So here I am complaining, fighting, all of it. But I will say, let's change shades. So now just sort of like all over our lid here, I'm gonna put burnt orange, which is just a darker orange shade. His entire eye is pretty much just like a gradient from light to dark. But I will say that we are extremely lucky that we still have like the remaining members of Monsta X, and that this isn't something that's like tearing the fandom apart. Like it actually is kind of uniting everybody, and I feel like Monbebes are just so good. And again, like, at least we have all of the other members, you know? Like, both of my favorite groups in the whole entire world, BAP and Boyfriend, both disbanded. So, like, I know what it's like. And at least it hasn't come to that. It just really, really sucks. And it's kind of like a curse. Please don't blame me, but, like, Himchan from BAP was, like, my ultimate bias. And we all know what went down with him. Boyfriend, Youngmin, was my, like, first, like, K-pop boy ever who I love that. Who I just like loved and adored, and they disbanded. Weirdly enough, I went through this weird phase where like I thought that like Youngbae from Big Bang was like my shit. Like I called him like my ult, and you know, Big Bang had a fatal end, so I just suck and I just ruin everything, I guess. So now still moving down the shade range, I'm gonna take Cypress Umber, a very deep ebony brown. Ooh. And, you know, just keep going, put it right here. I'm also gonna take a blender brush and kind of blend it into my inner and outer corner. And his eye looks very smoky, so I'm just like, just keep building it and building it until it becomes like a smoky. That's his. This is looking hella messy right now. And I'm hoping once I put like eyeliner and stuff on, it'll be a bit better. So yeah, let's move on to the eyeliner. I really don't know what else to say on the subject, besides I love Monsta X so much. And I hope that you guys do, and I hope that you support Monsta X. Love that. Doing a winged liner, just a tiny one, but it's mainly just important that we get that into our lash line. Oh, you know, today has just been great. Today has just been the best. I think it's also, I need a makeup wipe, damn it. Oh my god. Now we're just gonna blend our baby wings out with some black. This is Noir. It's so crazy how like bad this is going right now. I don't know if you can see how crusty my like skin is because the eyeshadow keeps falling and then foundation's like rubbing away, and it's just like, this is not going well at all. I just keep kind of like trying to step up the smokiness of it. It sucks. I really wanted to do like a good job on this. I'm so sorry to Monbebe everywhere for letting you down. Like, what is that? Like, what is that? What's going on? That kind of helped, I think. You guys really can't see the like actual depth that it has, like at all. I don't know why. It is what it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of burnt orange on the bottom of my lash line, as well as like a little bit of orange soda, the lighter orange, towards the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of black again, just make like a second wing on the bottom of our eye. Now I'm just going to continue with the black near my waterline, just to get like a liner effect, I guess. Then I'm just gonna use Cypress Umber, the really dark brown, to sort of blend everything out and make sure everything like connects smoothly, because I'm not loving the way that the bottom wing looks, just like sticking out like that. So we're just gonna try to make it more soft. Honestly, like, I think that that's all. I think that that is our look. I'm gonna put on some Betty Boop mascara that I got in my Ipsy bag. Try not to cry. This has been like a whole mess and I'm so sorry. Like, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this look. It's like obviously like pretty different from what he actually had, but we call it an inspired look for a reason. I mean, Wonho always has the best sense of style. He's always whipping out all the looks. It's like one of the reasons why I started liking him to begin with. I just thought that he seemed like a really cool kind of a guy. Style, like his tattoos, just how sweet of a person he is. How like progressive on certain issues he is. I don't know, it just hurts. But y'all go stream Follow. Follow is so good. All of them are honestly whipping out the looks in this music video. I am too. I am killed it. They all killed it. Bye babies. So that is our eye look. In the music video, he has kind of like a pinky moment on his lips. I already have like a bit of like a lip stain on. It's making me look hella crusty though. So I have this pink NYX Liquid Lipstick that I use in pretty much all of my makeup videos. Tea and cookies. I'm gonna put that on my mouth right now. Sorry, I keep looking in the monitor. I'm just like, I'm really out of it today. I don't really have any blush for today's look, but I think I should probably go ahead and just put on like a little bit of highlighter. I think that would do it some justice. So I'll be back. And then I have to figure out how to secure my little buddy that I literally drove 30 minutes to go by after class during my meltdown just for this look. Stay tuned. First things first, you remember how I said that my like foundation was crusting up? I'm gonna see if I can like fix that really quick. I fixed it a little bit. Now I have my Ofra Madison Miller highlighter moment. Just gonna put a little bit of that on. I really am sorry that I'm not doing this makeup look any justice. I just hope that I could provide some entertainment for my Monbebes. I love you all so much. I hope that you're doing okay. If you need literally, oh my god. If you need literally anything let me know. So now for this buddy. His little piece like isn't very big at all. Let me like look at the photo. There we go. So it does actually go across most of his like face. It's just like very short and it's cut at like a diagonal. This is much shorter. I have no idea like how I'm gonna secure this to my face. I'm thinking Scotch tape. Oh shit, does it stick in my hair? Oh snap, okay, fun. I'm down. Okay, so we did it. I successfully made some like art in our man's honor. I'm gonna go to class like this now. I have approximately 20 minutes to be there. Great, so I gotta go. I just really hope that you guys are all doing okay. I know that this video had like pretty much no point to it. I'm not providing any insight. I'm not even really offering like my whole opinion or like my frustration or anything. I don't know, I've been feeling weird. I just wanted to sit in front of the camera and make something. I'll probably go take some photos now and upload them with like all the hashtags and just everything, all of the madness. I'm sorry I probably sound like a crazy person, but I really, really do love Monsta X and Monbebe, and I feel like I would be fake if I weren't, you know, trying to do what the community wants, like trying to interact with everybody and be there for everybody. So please, again, let me know in the comments, I guess, what you make of all of this, or just like say hi, or just say like, we love Monsta X, we love our leader Shonu, we love everyone. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.